When we first visited this garden, we could see one very big challenge, and that was the garden was surrounded by these large conifer trees, and when they were removed, they were left with a view of a large garage that runs the entire width of the garden. And the solution to that challenge was to put up a large batten fencing and plant evergreen peach trees in front. This fabulous pergola had a number of functions to fulfill. First of all, we have to house the hot tub. Then we wanted to create this lovely family seating area. And there on the edge there, we've got the barbecue and the food prep unit. But not only that, during the winter months, our clients like to exercise outside, but under cover. This is a good example of how to use successional planting to give interest throughout the year and also introduce different textures into a scheme. So we've got the grasses here, out of which is coming this lovely multi-stem silver birch, which will give us this colour as it matures of the bark throughout the winter months. Then we've got the evergreen pittosporum here. In we go at the back with the verbena, and then we have got here the hydrangeas just turning now as we move into autumn, and they will give us the colour of the dried heads in the winter. And at this time of year in September, just starting to flower here are these gorgeous hesperantha. Put a focal point in the centre of the garden. It's this fabulous multi-stemmed Prunus cerula. Out it comes, look, through the fire of these grasses, and in the winter time we'll have this incredible red bark, which will give us the most wonderful effect as it's lit from below. Now, shady borders under trees are always a problem, but not if you choose the right plants. Here we've got some more of this pittosporum, grasses and the hydrangeas, which creates a lovely tapestry. By sinking the hot tub into the terrace itself, it makes our clients feel like they're surrounded by foliage when they're actually in the tub. So, if you'd like us to create the garden of your dreams, why not get in touch via the website or Instagram?